Hey guys, this is Jay. Today I'm going to give away this super cool stunning wedding album template. Size is 12 by 36. If you're a channel member means you can download this file. All you got to do is go to the community tab. You will find the download link. You can download the file and use it. Just in case if you are not a channel member means no problem. Join the channel membership program and you can download the templates anytime. To join the channel membership program, click the join button below. You will get all the necessary informations. Fine. I repeat, if you are a channel member means all you got to do is go to channel community tab and download the files. Fine. Now let's see how to edit the templates. First, download the file, extract the file. Next step, go to the project file, open the PSD template inside Photoshop. There you go. This is how it's going to look. Next, let's see how to add the image. To add image on right side template means click the right side group, image folder. To add image on left side, select the left group, go to respective image folder. Fine. Now let's add image to the right side. For that, select the right side image group, select the image placeholder layer. Now go to your image folder. Open your image inside Photoshop. Now drag and drop the image inside your canvas. Make sure to place the image right above the placeholder shape like so. Now right click and clip match the image. By doing so, our image will be visible only inside the placeholder shape. Next, enable free transform tool, Ctrl T and resize the image. Now click enter. There you go. We added our image. This is how you should add your image. Next, let's add image on left side. Same step. Select the image group. Go to your image folder. Open the image inside Photoshop. Drag and drop the image inside of a canvas. As I said before, yes, make sure to place the image right above our image placeholder shape. Right click and clip match the image. Enable free transform tool, Ctrl T and resize the image. There you go. Likewise, I'm going to add image to the another image placeholder shape. I'll fast forward the process. Now our template is ready. Now you can print the template. Fine. Just in case if you want to color grade the template means merge all our layers into a single layer. For that, use keyboard shortcut Shift Ctrl Alt E. Now go to filter, select camera raw filter. Here we are going to color grade our image. In the basics, I'm going to increase the vibrance and saturations to make our template a little more vibrant and colorful. Next, I'm going to increase the red and the orange color saturation levels a little bit. In the color mixer menu, play with the luminance if you want. Next, I'm going to play with the sharpening and noise reduction settings. Once you are happy with the output, click OK. There you go. We color graded our image. This is the actual image and this is the final output. Looks stunning, isn't it? Now your template is ready for the print. So that's it guys. I hope this video is useful to you. Yes, I'm going to give away lots and lots of wedding album templates. If you want all of them means join our channel membership program so that you can download the templates anytime. To join the channel membership program, click the join button below. Thanks for watching. Take care.